Happy Sunday everyone. Okay, so today we got a thrift haul. It's only a really small thrift haul today, but even though it's one of the smallest thrift hauls I've ever done, one of the items is quite possibly the favorite item I've ever thrift hauled in the history of thrifting. I would say my fireplace. Let me show you my fireplace really quickly. That's my fireplace there that I thrifted. It didn't look like that whatsoever when I purchased it. It was very dark brown, dirty, lots of cobwebs, and I completely made it over and I put a false back in down there behind the plant. But this thrift haul, I think, is a true antique. And I'm extremely excited to make it over, and I am in seriously two minds on whether I really want to sell it on to someone else or whether I want to keep it. However, if I do keep it, I have no idea where I'm going to put it. So anyway, I'm going to save that little gem right to the end of the thrift haul. Now, I do have to take you into the garage to show you these items, so I apologize up front because my garage is a complete and utter disaster. Anyway, who cares? Let's go. So the first item I thrifted is actually a seasonal item. It's something for Easter, but never pass up a seasonal item if it's a good price. It's only a small item, but I think it's lovely. So it was $3. And who doesn't love this? It's a cute little rabbit on top of a concrete ball. I think this would look really, really nice in a table setting. So I am going to set it to one side and keep it for Easter. Now, come Easter, if you don't see this, remind me I've bought it, because I have a really bad habit of putting things in safe places and then forgetting my safe place. So yeah, hopefully you'll see this again. My next item, I actually don't even remember what my next item is, so let's look in the bag. Oh yeah, okay. So go figure, another jug. However, this one's really different from all the others I've ever bought. How nice is that? Now this could pass as autumnal. I mean, it's quite a bright yellow, but I think it could pass. Originally, good Lord, this was a Hobby Lobby item for $15.99. And I paid $2 for it. So that's the original price. And then can you see the price that I paid? $2. Now how nice is that? So I'm going to give this a wash and I might go sit it on my countertop right now. Next item I bought for my daughter. She's trying to do like a little spa theme in her bathroom, and I saw this basket. Now I'm not really a basket buyer, a basket purchaser. However, oh, the price fell off. Well, I paid $4 for this basket and I thought it was in really good condition. And I thought it would look really nice on the bathroom floor with some white towels rolled up in it. She might use it for something different. However, I thought this was a really nice basket. So hopefully she'll like this. The next items I found were two stools. Now, this tells me that I go thrifting too often, because I know how much they charge for stools. They charge $10 a stool normally. However, these two stools, they had knocked down to $5, and I snapped them up because I bought them for my daughter's kitchen. She has a tiny little kitchen counter. I'm going to show you two other stools that I purchased in a previous thrift haul that I don't think I've shown you guys. And when I got them home, I looked at them again and realized I think they're too big for her kitchen counter. So let me go show you those first. So these are the stools. Let me pull one out. So that's actually quite a large stool. It's not terribly high. It's the perfect height, but that top is quite wide. And to have two of them next to each other, I just think that was too wide. Now let me see how much I paid for these. Okay, I paid $10 each for these, and they're in quite good nick. There's a little bit of damage down at the bottom that is fixable, so that's not a problem. However, I'm not going to give these to her. What I'm going to do is fix these ones up that I just purchased. This kind of stall is normally $10 at the thrift store that I go to. However, for two of these, They were $5 each. So I'm going to sand these down to bare wood. I might paint the bottom half black and keep the top brown wood. We'll see. I am going to show you what I do with these. But yeah, I bought 2 of those for $5. Now I had previously thrifted this in a different shop. I don't think I've shown this to you before. This was $15. Now forgive me if I have shown this to you before, but I plan on sanding this down, and my daughter has like a little nook area in her house, so I thought this would be perfect to put just a plant on the top, just to fill in that little space that she has in her living room. But yeah, that was $15. I think that's a little bit pricey. I think $10 would have been a good price for that. The next item is this box. I really like it. It's in really good shape. I love the little feet. It has a nice little lock. I paid $10 for this. And this serves as storage. I think this is a really neat little box. Now I'm going to ask my daughter if she wants it. I thought it'd be good for the children's room just to put knickknacks in. But if she doesn't want it, I think I might put it in my bedroom. And I might even make it into a padded seat on the top. But we'll see. But for $10, I couldn't pass that up. I put that in my trolley quick sharp, I did. The next item is this book. I paid $3 for this, and it's Paintings of Central Park. So I thought, let me have a look through, and immediately right here, what a great picture. And I flicked through and I found so many pictures that could be reframed. How cool is that? I mean, well, maybe not that one. But great colors. Oh, a nice winter one. Oh, I like that one. Yeah, but so many, oh, that one's good. But so many good pictures that can be reframed. Ooh, missus. So many good diverse colors that you can use. That one's good. Spring, autumn, there's all kinds. Spring, autumn, summer, that one's nice. Oh, that one's nice too. That one's really nice for summer. So yeah, again, another good book that I will use to cut up and reframe some of these pictures. For future projects. Again, $3 for that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the star purchase. I am so excited about this. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this weather to cool down, and I think I probably will bypass all my other projects so I can work on this one first. So yeah, this is a really short video. I told you it was a really small haul for me. However, I did pay, what, $10 for the stools. I spent on my star item $40. So I spent probably about as much as I normally would spend in the thrift store. I just got less items. So anyway, let me show you what I got. Can you tell what it is? Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? I paid $40 for this. Now this top here, I started to peel this off, so I can take that off pretty easily. So I'm not bothered about that at all. Look at this little handle here. And this is original. I mean, this is a proper like antique because it has those type of, I don't know what that cutout grooving is called, but this is a proper antique solid wood. This handle is very loose, but that's fixable. I'm not worried about that at all. Now these handles here, obviously they've already been changed out. These are not original. So I am going to go to Hobby Lobby and find some new handles for that. But look at the legs. And then the detailing. I absolutely love this. I mean, I can't believe I only paid $40 for this. I'm really, really happy with it. So yeah, I'm going to jump on this. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint it or take it back to natural wood and then just wax it. That's kind of what I'm leaning towards. If anyone knows what type of wood this might be, I'd love to know. I'm not very good when it comes to antiques. That is my star buy. So that and the fireplace are my two absolute favorite thrift finds. That has to be the quickest video I've ever shot, and probably I am ever going to edit. But there's no point in stringing out a video just to make it longer for the sake of making it longer. I just wanted to show you my haul, and yeah, we will jump on that project as soon as it cools down. And let me know, what would you do with it? Would you paint it? If so, what color? Would you wax it? What would you do with it? Again, I'm not too familiar with antiques and the different types of wood. And I'm going to be honest, I know a lot of people don't like the fact that people are painting antiques. But if it's what you like and you're going to keep it, then do it. I say do it. And if you do decide to paint it, and you do decide to sell it and someone doesn't like the paint, they can take the paint off and strip it back to the natural wood. So I don't have a problem with painting antiques, unless of course it's thousands and thousands worth of dollars for an antique, and I don't think that chest of drawers is. Anyway, let me know your thoughts, and I will see you during the week. I'm probably going to be taking you down to the strip this week. I'm excited. I haven't been down there in a while. So anyway, I will see you during the week, probably Tuesday. Okay, bye guys. Oh, and consider subscribing. Thanks, bye.